And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, we just completely transformed this customer's landscape, bringing in over 2 pallets of beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod, over 12 tons of decorative gravel, along with the beautiful river rock design. And as you know, this is one that we love doing right here at Brooks Landscaping. And the reason why we become known as the dirt doctor, where we make dirt look good, because we come up with these innovative ways to solve landscape drainage problems and then also make the area look absolutely amazing. And on this landscape, we went with the beautiful river rock design that allowed for us to be able to not only give this customer a way to waterproof the entire foundation of their home, but also give them a design that was gonna last a lifetime. And that's exactly what we were able to do for this customer. And it's the reason why we become so highly rated right here in the Paulding County area and surrounding areas. And today we're in the Bentwater 7 Hills area, where we do a lot of our work when it comes to drainage problems. And so when you begin to understand the reason why, it has a lot to do with the grade on the landscape. And so we regraded this landscape, moved the water off of the landscape appropriately, put it into drain boxes, and then we came back trimming everything. But of course, landscaping this in a way that allowed for us to be able to ensure that this customer never has to worry about erosion no more on their landscape. So that water that once used to sit in this area is now going to be sucked up by the beautiful decorative gravel along with the river rock design. In addition to that, we kept that same theme throughout the entire landscape so that you were able to see this take place all the way around, even keeping some of the natural landscape that the customer already had. Now, we did add to it by being able to bring in a row of the decorative retaining wall block that you see here, but the customer was so inspired by watching this landscape come together that they went out and purchased their own things that to put out here, such as this beautiful fountain, as well as the bird feeder. And then you also see that they have the shepherd's hooks, just so much that they went and did after being inspired by what we did on their landscape. And that's what makes this really, really an amazing project, when you have the homeowners inspired. And not only do they want to go tell someone else about the work that you've done, they want to get out here and start doing something as well. It encourages them to want to have fun. And that's what we did for this customer on this amazing landscape transformation that took us just a couple of days, and more importantly, allowed this customer to get an entire landscape redesign, and one that's going to last a lifetime. And it all took place right here in the Bentwater 7 Hills area. So if you're in a position and you're looking for a landscape drainage solution, or maybe you just want to take back your courtyard, this is the 5th one we've done this year in this neighborhood. And it does say that all of them are different. Some of them went with decorative gravel throughout the entire landscape. Some of them went with grass. It just depends on your circumstance. So make sure you click that link below and suggest for a free quote, and we'll be glad to come out, take a look at your landscape, help you understand what all needs to be done, but then more importantly, be prepared to work with you so that you may be able to get it accomplished. And that's what we do on a day-to-day basis right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.